It's Friday, July 4th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat. And yet another big name in the business world facing a stiff penalty for failing to do enough to prevent money laundering. Canada's FinTrack, the Financial Transactions and Reports Analysis Centre, hitting financial services giant Canaccord with a fine of nearly $545,000, which is on top of a further $600,000 levy from the Canadian Investment Regulatory Organization. The latest snapshot of Canada's housing sector with updates from the country's two largest markets. June sales in the Toronto region down 2.4%, while the average price was off by 5.4%. The Vancouver area also saw a 9.8% sales dip last month, although that area's benchmark price was only 2.8% lower than a year ago. It only takes 2 minutes to get smarter. Canada's Business Beat, updated daily on Twitter, Blue Sky, and wherever you get your favorite podcast, including Spotify and Apple. The more you listen, the more you know. What may be the best news of the day? Further downward pressure on gasoline prices. Reports that OPEC is set to announce a further production increase of around 400,000 barrels a day starting next month. While we're at it, don't be surprised if our nation takes the foot off the gas pedal when it comes to shifting more to electric vehicles. That from the head of the Canadian Vehicle Manufacturers Association, Brian Kingston, after he and other industry leaders had a sit-down with Prime Minister Carney. The group appealing to the PM to pause the current government mandate requiring that 20% of all light-duty car and truck sales be EVs as of next year. They note that back in April, just 7.5% of new rides sold were zero emission. And British Columbia's Lower Mainland reporting a major shift when it comes to leasing office space. Commercial real estate services company CBRE finding that in the latest quarter, while downtown Vancouver saw its office vacancy rate jump 1.2%, space in the suburbs was down by 0.9%. Those in the know suggesting that it could be at least 4 years or more before Vancouver develops another office building. And that will do it for your Friday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.